Hi guys, happy August. We just wanted to touch base with everyone at the beginning of the month. We had such an incredible July. Desert West Crew exploded. What was that?
It was, I was agreeing.
Jamie Moats, Michelle Fox, Michelle Scarborough, and Isaac Gallegos all bumped up rank. Isaac is our first Desert West Crew Ruby. Everybody else made Emerald, which is so exciting because that is where your business starts. It takes off. You're actually starting to make money and really get somewhere with this. So I'm so excited. To me, Emerald is where it's at. So congratulations. We're so excited for you all.
So I wanted to talk for just a second to all of our coaches, even if you're not doing this as a business, because I think there's some things that maybe you would want to know. I've been doing a little bit of looking around on the Beachbody site, and if you're one of our coaches, even if you're not wanting to do this as a business, if you're a Desert West Crew coach, then you earn 25% commission off of all sales. You're going to get 25% commission if anybody orders anything off of your website. Like, whether you want it or not, you're going to get the money, okay? So for all of you guys, I wanted to let you know that you can actually think a little bit broader, because this doesn't have to be something, if you don't have a lot of time, that you have to pour your time into, okay? If you just go around on your Beachbody site and click on shop, look around at some of the stuff, we offer a lot more than just Shakeology and fitness programs. I know those are kind of the big ones that we're talking about a lot and getting people excited about. But Beachbody, are you kidding? We offer, let me see, I made a little list here of just a few things that I found when I was looking around. Things that people purchase every single day, okay? Things like multivitamins, omegas, whey protein, metabolism boosting supplements, protein bars, fiber powder, calcium and magnesium supplements. Cleansing is a big thing with a lot of people. I'm always talking to people who are talking about cleansing. We have cleanses. You have cleanses that you can offer people. Fitness gear. Beachbody even has a whole line of skin products, a derm exclusive skin product thing that we haven't even gotten into. But if that's your thing, or if you talk to people, just think broader about it, okay? When you're talking to people, you are basically a one-stop fitness shop. Anything related to health and nutrition, you can probably help them out. So just think about that. Who takes multivitamins? Everybody. Everybody's taking multivitamins and omegas and that kind of stuff, fiber supplements for their food. Well, why not get it through you? Because even if you're not working this as a business, you're still going to get a commission anytime that they order it. So that's the first thing I wanted to talk to you about real quick. Just to let you know, that is really good news. You actually have a lot more to offer than just fitness programs and Shakeology. You can give them everything.
Well, and I have to say that even though we haven't tried every single one of these products, there has not been any product from Beachbody that we have been disappointed with. All of the supplements that we have taken have been top notch, and you know, we probably have way too many supplements on board just because we like them all so much. But they're
cabinet full of them.
Yeah, they're amazing. And so I really don't think you could go wrong if, you know, you had family members who wanted to switch over, you know, and buy their vitamins or whatever under you.
Yeah, you know that Beachbody, we all know that Beachbody holds themselves to a pretty high standard when it comes to the products that they offer or what they put their name behind. So, you know it's going to be top quality stuff, okay? So, think about that kind of stuff. The other thing I was going to talk to you about real quick, even if you're not a business coach, just something that you can tell people is the Team Beachbody Club. This is something that kind of gets overlooked a lot, I think, and we don't talk about it a lot because we're always pushing the Shakeology and the fitness programs, and we're all excited about that. But Team Beachbody Club is another level. It's not a full-on coach, but it's something that you can offer your customers. And one of the things that people get with the Team Beachbody Club membership is they get a personalized meal plan set for them. And I went and checked it out yesterday. I checked my own, made my own little personalized meal plan thing, and it is awesome. You can choose what kind of workout you're doing. You put in your height, your weight. It'll tell you how many calories you need. If you want to lose weight, if you want to gain weight, you put in your goals. It'll tell you how many calories you need, and then it will actually create a menu for you every day of the week for breakfast, snacks, lunch, and not only will it give you a nutrition plan and a meal menu for the week, but if you click on it, it'll actually give you the recipe on how to make every single one of those meals. So if you're sitting there thinking, the idea, okay, would you spend $5 to pay somebody to give you a completely personalized meal plan and recipes for a whole week?
It would cost a lot more than that.
It would cost a lot more.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't even cost $5. It's $3 a week. So when you're talking to your customers or people who are potential customers, you can offer them a personalized meal plan with recipes, and it's only $3 a week if they want that, and you're going to get commission. But not only do they get that personalized meal plan, that's just one part of it. The Team Beachbody Club membership, they also get 10% off of anything that they order from Beachbody as long as they're a member. So that means that the other stuff that we talked about, the vitamins, the omegas, all that stuff, not only are they getting their personalized meal plan, but all of those things that they order, they're going to get 10% off of, and you're still getting commissions. And then every month, as their Team Beachbody Club membership renews, you're going to be getting commissions. You're going to be getting commissions every single month, every time it renews. So those are things that you can offer your customers. A lot of stuff that you have to offer. And even if you're not working it as a business, super easy to be able to make just a little bit of extra cash, maybe even to pay for your own supplements or whatever it is that you're doing, and to go towards it. So for those of you who are not working the business, I wanted to make sure that you knew that this is already at your disposal. If you're a coach, you got all of this that you can offer your customers. And I think Jillian has a couple things that she wants to talk about that's probably a little bit more for the coaches that are in this for the business.
Yeah, exactly. I know we have a bunch of people wanting to earn money, whether it is for a family vacation, which is awesome, or whether it's to, have part-time income. Like Isaac said earlier today on Facebook, what is it going to take for your boss to give you a $400 raise a month or $500 or whatever? It's a lot, but with Beachbody, it's really simple. And so whether you're doing that, whether you're looking to stay home with your kids, or whether you're looking to make a full-time booming income business out of this, it's totally possible, and our coaches are proving that. So what I wanted to do is just give you a few things to think about when you are working this. Is that, first of all, you have to tell your story. Your story is what inspires people. They've seen the infomercials, and if they're not inspired by the infomercial, they're not going to be, inspired by a sales pitch. They want to know you, and they want to know that it really works. And that's how it really started for Isaac and I, was to set pride aside and tell our story. And it did. It took setting our pride aside, because I didn't want to admit that, I needed to lose weight or, whatever. But that's what it took. And so get out there and tell your story.
And some of you have some freaking amazing stories that actually literally put tears in our eyes whenever we read what you guys send us, messages and emails and stuff like that. I mean, amazing stories.
And what I have to stress is sharing your story one time doesn't do it, because it's going to go on your Facebook feed one time, and if someone wasn't on Facebook that day or at that very hour, they missed it. Mm-hmm. And so if you put it out there once, you're going to reach a small handful of people. But if you put it out there, even if you put it out there in different ways, but you have to keep putting it out there, or people are not going to know that it's happening. One time does not do it. Follow what you see other successful Beachbody coaches doing. You don't have to just look at Isaac and I. Maybe our style isn't your style, but there are almost 1,000 crew coaches, as well as other teams all across Beachbody. And if you find one of those people that inspire you, look at what they're doing. Stalk them. Watch their Instagram, watch their Facebook, and see how they're becoming successful. Some of my favorite Beachbody coaches have a blog. So I'm really stepping out there to make a fitness blog. They have their presence seen on Instagram, on Facebook. And the key in every single successful Beachbody coach is personal development. And I know that sounds really corny, but
I didn't buy into it at the very beginning. I saw personal development as one of the vital behaviors. Are you kidding me? It's
so important. I'm sorry.
My gosh.
If you are not inspired yourself, you are not going to inspire anyone else. So you need to be diving into personal development every single day. There's so many different kinds. There's Jim Rohn, there's John Maxwell, there's Joel Osteen, there's Elevation Church. I mean, whatever your cup of tea is, whether it's, in the church or ministry setting, or whether it's in the business setting, there are so many avenues. There's so many books. So we really encourage you to go out there and get inspired and then share it with the world. It's so important to share it with people. So
absolutely. And one of the things that we've been learning as we're trying to develop ourselves better, one of the biggest things that we've learned recently is that basically you are going to attract people that are at about the same level of leadership that you are, and that people aren't going to want to they're not going to want to follow somebody who's a lower leadership level than they are, right? So that's one of the reasons why we want to develop ourselves, is that so that we can be better at what we do, so that more people will want to join with us. Well, then you can do the same thing. So think about that. You're bettering yourself so that you can attract better people who are going to be inspired by you. You already have an amazing story. A lot of the personal development is about connecting with people, about how to connect with people so that you can share that story.
And, lastly, I think I really want to share that it's Isaac and I's heart to make this a team. This is not about us. This is about you. This month we paid our mortgage with our Beachbody income, and minutes later we found out one of our other coaches made almost enough to pay her entire rent, and that is what got us going. Not the fact that we paid our mortgage, but the fact that somebody else was doing the same. And that's what this is about. It's not about us. It's about our team. It's about you. We want to see you reach your goals just as bad, if not more, than our own. So Please know that that's our heart, and anything we can do to help you, you've got us.
You need to let us know what your goals are as coaches, because like she said, we're in this together as a team, and if there's anything that we can do to help you set your goals and then set up some steps on what it's going to take to reach those goals, that's what we're here for.
So this is your engineering.
Exactly. This is your business. You do whatever you want with it. Our job is to help you get to what you want to do. So you need to communicate that with us. Let us help support you. And man, we're in this together. I tell you, August is going to be awesome. I cannot wait to see what August is going to bring. Yep.
It's going to be great. We look forward to it, guys.
All right. We'll talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day. Have an awesome month. And we will talk to you soon.
Bye.